AI is already here, in banks, hospitals, schools, and even your favorite app. But here's the million-dollar question. Will AI take your job? Some headlines say millions of jobs will vanish. Scary, right? But let's dig deeper. AI does replace repetitive tasks, data entry, sorting packages, customer support. But what they don't say enough is this. AI is also creating jobs. We now need AI trainers, prompt engineers, AI ethicists, human AI coordinators. The future isn't man versus machine, it's man plus machine. It's not about losing work, it's about changing work. Jobs won't vanish, they'll evolve. The real challenge? Adapting fast. We need reskilling, upskilling, digital literacy, and now. So next time you hear, AI will take your job, remember this. AI might change your job, but it can also upgrade your future. Subscribe for more on tech, jobs, and the future.